Need to separate work areas without building permanent walls? Akon industrial freestanding curtains give you a smarter, more flexible way to organize your facility. When dust, overspray, noise, welding, or production processes need to be contained, these rugged curtain systems create dedicated work zones without major construction. The modular galvanized steel frame assembles quickly, while custom-made curtains can be configured with solid panels or strip curtains for easy access. Need more flexibility? The system can be moved, reconfigured, and expanded as your operation changes. Optional clear ceilings help contain dust and debris while allowing natural light into the enclosure. Best of all, freestanding curtains can cost far less than rigid walls or panels. The result is a cleaner, more organized workspace that works around your operation, not against it. Explore Akon industrial freestanding curtains today and find the right solution for your facility.